Welcome to Challenge Fencing. We're here at our common branch today and we're in our timber deck display area. You'll find something similar to this at our branches in Farnham, Woking, Maidstone and Gloucester. As you can see, this timber deck has been down for a good few years now and it's starting to look a little worn. It's split in places, and if we don't regularly jet wash it every year, it can become quite slippery. We sell a lot of decking thanks to Alan Titmarsh and Ground Force, and if you're willing to invest in its time and upkeep to look after it every year, it can last for many years. However, today we're going to show you a new alternative to replace your old and maybe slightly worn timber deck. So this is Smartboard Composite Decking. It's very eco-friendly. It's made from 90% recycled material such as oak shavings and oak dust, and hard plastics like old shampoo bottles. Unlike some cheaper composite alternatives that are hollow, this is a solid board. It's very heavy. It resists moisture, so it is much less likely to twist or expand. As we're about to show you, it's very easy to cut, either with a traditional saw or with a power tool. So a Smartboard is a reversible board, so you can have two different sorts of finishes on your deck, for example for an edging. So here we're going to cut from the other side, the brushed effect, down through the board, so we have a clean cut on the underside of the board. So Smartboard comes in three different finishes, three different colours. Got battleship grey, slate and chocolate brown. As we mentioned, it's reversible, so you can have a different finish, such as you might want to have a frame around a particular area. It also comes with colour coordinated screws in the three different colours. Each pack is 200 screws, comes with its own hex drill bit, and the screws are actually ideal for placing in between the boards to ensure you've got the right gap between the boards. Okay, a top tip is to fix the screws 20mm in from any edge using the supplied hex bit. It's best not to apply too much force. Just let the screw work into the board. Then just check it's just below the surface. And that's it, finished. As the composite boards resist moisture, they're very easy to clean just with soapy water. They're great for example, for barbecue areas. They won't split, they won't rot. They're actually finished in a low slip surface, and with a 25-year residential warranty, they're going to look great for years to come.